Ayun. Hello. Hello everyone. How are you today guys? I hope you have a good day. Ayun, hito tayo guys. So, yun ang update natin. Ayun, si Miming. Busog na yun siya. Tapos na kami nag-lunch guys. So, kumusta ang araw nyo guys? Ayun, si Miming. Ming, tapos ka na? You finish it? Ha? Ming, you finish it? Hmm? Sleepy-sleepy na si Miming guys because he feel full na guys. Oh, yun. So, feel relaxing na. Ayun. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day, and everyone. Maraming salamat. Have a blessed day to all. Keep safe. And God bless. Say na, bye-bye, Ming. Ming, bye-bye na, Ming. Bye. See you next.